When this rear ramp opens, the ground stops feeling big. A machine this massive does not arrive quietly. It changes the space around it. The runway looks wider, the vehicles look smaller, and every person near it moves with one thought in mind. Do not rush anything. Because this is not just an aircraft. This is a flying cargo gate, built to move the kind of weight that roads cannot handle. And the most dangerous part is not always the flight. Sometimes, it starts before the wheels even move. From a distance, it almost looks calm. A gray shape sitting on the runway. Silent, still, controlled. But the closer you get, the more the scale begins to press on you. The nose rises high. The wings stretch far across the open air. The landing gear sits under the body like it is carrying a building. Nothing about this machine feels light. It does not look designed to impress passengers. It looks designed to take pressure, absorb weight, and keep moving. Every part of this aircraft feels intentional. The wide body is not for beauty. It is for space. The high wings are not for style. They give room for cargo, engines, and ground movement. The tail stands tall behind the fuselage, making the whole aircraft feel more like a heavy machine than a normal plane. This is where size becomes more than size. It becomes control. Because when something this large moves, every mistake has a cost. Then the rear of the aircraft begins to open. Slowly, the ramp lowers. There is no dramatic movement, no sudden drop, no wasted motion. Just a heavy metal door turning into a bridge. And that is the moment the aircraft changes. It is no longer just sitting on the runway. It becomes an entrance. A controlled path where heavy cargo can leave the ground and disappear into the body of a giant flying machine. The cargo does not just roll in. It is guided. One signal at a time. One correction at a time. One slow movement after another. Around a machine this large, speed is not strength. Precision is strength. A few inches can change everything. A rushed turn can break the rhythm. A wrong angle can stop the whole operation. From the outside, it may look simple. But this is not simple. This is heavy weight being moved into a narrow opening, under total control. Inside the cargo bay, the feeling changes. It does not feel like an aircraft anymore. It feels like a steel corridor built to swallow machines whole. The floor looks ready for pressure. The walls are plain and functional. The space is not comfortable. It is not meant to be. It is meant to carry. Everything inside has a job. Every surface has a reason. Every empty space is waiting for weight. This is not luxury. This is purpose. Then the engines begin to wake. At first, it is only a deep sound under the air. Then the vibration grows. The runway begins to shimmer behind the engines. The ground crew steps back. The space around the aircraft starts to feel alive. The machine is still standing still. But now it feels different. Now it feels like something massive is being released from silence. The wheels begin to turn. Slowly. The nose swings with control. The body follows with heavy patience. This aircraft does not move like something small. It moves like a ship leaving a harbor. Every turn is deliberate. Every correction is measured. Every meter forward reminds you how much weight is being controlled by human hands. And then it reaches the runway. The aircraft stops. For a moment, nothing happens. That silence is where the tension builds. Then the engines push harder. The aircraft begins to move. At first, it still looks too heavy for the sky. The runway pulls beneath it. The wings hold steady. The engines keep driving forward. This is not a quick jump into the air. A machine this massive has to earn every foot. The nose begins to rise. The wheels are still close to the ground. The whole body looks suspended between weight and flight. Then suddenly, the runway lets go. For 1 second, it almost does not look real. A giant machine that seemed chained to the ground is now climbing into open air. The landing gear hangs below it. The wings carry the load. The body moves upward with slow, controlled power. This is the moment that makes transport aircraft different. They do not need to look fast. They do not need to look graceful. They only need to prove one thing: that even the heaviest missions can leave the ground. Once it is in the sky, the aircraft becomes strangely calm. From below, the sound fades. The size becomes a shadow crossing clouds, fields, roads, and cities. What looked impossible on the runway now moves above everything. And that is the real power of this system. It changes distance. A broken road no longer stops the mission. A mountain range no longer ends the route. A remote field no longer feels unreachable. When this aircraft moves, the map changes. This is not about ordinary travel. This is about moving what cannot wait. Heavy machines, critical supplies, equipment that has to arrive where it is needed. The aircraft does not ask whether the route is easy. It only needs enough space, enough control, and a crew that knows exactly what to do. That is what makes it dangerous to watch. Not because it is out of control, because everything depends on control. But the hardest part is not always climbing. Sometimes, the real test begins when this giant machine comes back toward the ground. The runway ahead may not look perfect. The air may not be calm. The space may not feel forgiving. Now every movement becomes more serious. The aircraft descends. The body stays steady. The landing gear reaches down. The ground gets closer. And there is no room for guessing. The wheels meet the surface with force. Dust rises. The structure holds. The aircraft keeps moving. A machine this large does not simply land. It transfers power back into the ground. The crew keeps it straight. The body settles. The engines reduce. And slowly, the giant becomes part of the runway again. But the mission is not over. In some ways, this is where it begins. The rear ramp opens for the second time. Now the aircraft is not showing its size. It is proving why it exists. Cargo begins to move out. Heavy equipment rolls back into the open air. Supplies leave the body of the aircraft and return to the ground. Minutes ago, this weight was moving through the sky. Now it is exactly where it needs to be. That is the real power here. Not speed alone, not size alone, but reach. At night, the aircraft looks even more unreal. Runway lights reflect across the gray body. The engines breathe in the dark. The open ramp glows like a doorway into a machine. There is no chaos. Only controlled movement. And that makes it feel even more intense. Because power is not always loud. Sometimes power is quiet, organized, and waiting for the next command. A transport aircraft like this changes what people think is possible. It turns distance into a route. It turns heavy cargo into a mission. It turns an empty runway into the beginning of something much larger. From the outside, it is only a giant aircraft. But when the ramp opens, when the engines wake, when the wheels leave the ground, you understand what it really is. A machine built to carry pressure across the world. And when the ramp finally closes, the story does not feel finished. Because a machine like this is never just arriving. It is never just parked. It is never just waiting. Somewhere, another load is being prepared. Another runway is being cleared. Another mission is about to begin. And what this aircraft carries next, maybe even harder to believe.